Hi, I'm Katie with the Frain Group. Today we're cycling a completely integrated bottling and case packing line. Systems like these are capable of filling a wide variety of liquids and sauces into bottles such as you see here. Today we'll be filling 16 ounces of product into this container at 30 bottles per minute. We'll then be loading 6 bottles into this case. The process begins in the 300-gallon kettle where the product is heated and blended. A positive displacement transfer pump then pumps the product from the kettle to the filler. Empty bottles are then placed on the unscrambling table where they will be indexed out in a single file line. Bottles then transfer into a 4-head filler. 4 bottles are filled with 16 ounces of product at a time. Next, the bottles run through a metal detector where they are tested for ferrous, non-ferrous, and stainless steel. Bottles then enter through the 6-spindle capper and an expiration code is applied. From here, the bottles enter a pressure-sensitive wraparound labeler. A tamper-evident neckband is then placed on the bottles and shrunk down through the heat tunnel. Next, an induction sealer seals the inner tamper-evident seal underneath the cap. Empty cases are erected and the bottoms sealed before being transferred into the case packer. product are then automatically loaded into each case. A date code is applied to the case. The tops of the cases are then sealed and manually packed onto skids. On this complete bottling line, call us direct at 630-629-9900.